today we're going to try out the Shine Armor All-Purpose Interior Cleaner. So this all-purpose interior cleaner is good on vinyl, leather, and plastic surfaces. It's supposed to be non-greasy, leave a matte finish, and also provide some protection for the surface as well. So this product is a cleaner that also leaves the surface conditioned and protected. This product is made in the USA, and another property that I think is really interesting is it's also anti-static, which will hopefully help reduce the amount of dust that lays on the interior. So today we are not going to actually be applying it to any of the Mercedes that you've seen before on this channel. They're always in the garage, they're barely driven, the interiors are always clean and protected, so that's not really much of a challenge for any sort of interior cleaner. However, on my daily driver 2003 Ford F-150, this thing sees nothing but sunlight. It's always outside, and I haven't wiped down the interior in over a year, and I believe it's been over 3 years since I've applied any sort of product to the inside. So we're going to try it out on my truck. So when you purchase a product, they ship it sealed so it doesn't spill, so we'll have to go ahead and break the seal, but this is what it looks like. All right, before we begin, let's go ahead and take a look at how bad the interior looks on this. So the door panel looks pretty bad. It's definitely seen some better days. It's really, really dry. It's never been conditioned, and of course it's really, really dirty. So this is a combination of vinyl and plastic. The steering wheel is all vinyl. The dash is plastic. It's extremely dirty. So when you apply this product, it will leave a layer of protection behind to hopefully prevent any damage to the plastic from sunlight. All right, we got our sprayer ready, our microfiber ready, and I'm wearing gloves as well, just as a precaution. So let's get started. All right, so we're going to use one microfiber to spray the product on and another one to wipe it off. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, here it is after the final dry wipe down. See, it actually is a lot cleaner. It's probably hard to pick up on camera, but this is a significant improvement over what it was. The color is even better. It's just deeper and richer. It looks and feels matte, and it's not greasy at all. There was a ton of dirt that came off of here, just like big little chunks that you just couldn't see. So of course I applied a lot up here, but there's just too much sunlight exposure here. This part's really just super sun damaged, but it did make an improvement. Parts like right here versus right there, and it got a lot of the dirt off. One particular area is right around the door lock right here. So surrounding this little trim right here, there's a lot of black, and I thought that was just the great paint chipping away, but that was just dirt, and this got all off with ease. So I completed the door panel. This is as good as it's gonna get, I think. Maybe a couple more applications will get looking a little bit better. This is the initial application, and it feels so much better. And this part is where there was all that dirt, and there's of course some scratches that are just never gonna come out. I was extremely impressed with the results. I did on the steering wheel as well. Steering wheel looks a lot better. Got all that dirt out. And feeling the steering wheel, it really doesn't feel too slippery or greasy. It just feels really clean. And it looks really good too. It's got that nice matte sheen, which is what you want. It's not overly glossy. I did the whole dash. Big improvement. Feels really, really nice. So let's take one last close-up of the driver door, and then I'll show you the passenger door, which I did not touch yet. And here's the passenger door that is untouched. So unfortunately, this was the more cleaner one. So I'm not sure if you can see too much of a difference on camera, but in person, it's pretty significant. And here's the dash. This was a big improvement. Super nice finish. Wiping it down, I did discover that there was a small crack right there. So hopefully this product will prevent it from getting any worse. So you can see the finish looks really good. It's not like super glossy and greasy, and it doesn't feel greasy at all. Like I could touch this and my hands are fine. All right, so now this door sill is made of plastic as well. I'm gonna go ahead and spray directly on there. I'll go pretty aggressive on this one and see how much a difference it'll make. So let's take a look. Pretty dirty. So I'm just gonna spray directly on here, which is against the instructions. However, this definitely does need all the help it can get. This product actually has a kind of a citrus smell to it. It's only when you're spraying it. It doesn't actually leave a smell behind, which I really like. I don't like products that smell too much. Of course, the microfiber is really dirty now, so go ahead and keep wiping it down and come back with a dry cloth. All right, just complete the final wipe down. That's a big improvement. It's not just about getting it cleaner too, it's about leaving that protected surface behind. So it got out a lot of the dirt. Of course, there's just still a little bit left behind. This is going to take more than one application. but overall really impressed. And this is how much product I use. Is like almost at the top before, so I was actually really generous with how much I sprayed. I sprayed a lot, and we have a lot of product left over. You definitely don't need to use a lot to get good results. So there you have it. That is the review of the Shine Armor all-purpose interior cleaner. I hope you enjoyed the video. Links will be in the description to Shine Armor's website to purchase the product. So check it out if you are interested. I think it is a great product. I was actually kind of skeptical of this product at first, but using this product today really has shown me what a great product it is, and I do recommend it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.